Well, I'm a filthy mess because all morning I've been inside my fireplace hooking this guy up, putting in the insert, got lots of insulation around it. I'm going to trim out the top of this with a piece of 1/4-inch steel. It'll look real nice because the shroud that came with it does not fit in that space. So that's getting fixed up, nice and warm in here. And then my dad helped me this morning demo out the kitchen. Check it out. Oh my gosh, it looks so much better. Tore out all those cabinets, tore out the hood for the stove, and ripped out all that nasty scalloped trim. I got a little bit more to rip out underneath the sink. We're going to tear all that out, and then I'm going to retrim it and paint it. And got some drywall work to do there. We're going to cap this with some drywall and finish it all off. It's going to look so nice. I'm going to put a new light there. It used to have a fan like this one, old and nasty. We're just going to put a light in because fans inside a kitchen are usually not a good idea. So coming along nicely. So I've got an update for you. We're at the house working hard. It is about 34 degrees outside and totally raining, flooding everywhere. It's just a nasty mess. And I'm still out of power. Don't have power in the house, so we've got the fire going. And my neighbor was nice enough to lend me some electricity, so we've got a couple heaters going. But then for the process to go out the house and around and over, I had to step through all this flooded area, and now my shoes and socks are soaking wet. I'm standing barefoot in this cold house because the power's been off. I had the fire going, but it's still freezing in here. It's like probably 40 degrees inside the house. Luckily my pipes didn't freeze last night, but now my shoes are wet and my shirt's wet and it's cold. That's life, I guess. We'll soldier on. Mallory's working hard to get all the electrical taken out. We're taking off all of the plate covers and replacing a lot of the old switches and different things. There she is, working hard. Say hi, Mallory. So we're doing it, but it's cold. Working in the dark because we still don't have power, but what are you gonna do? Just gotta keep working. Got the kitchen all trimmed out. In the daylight, it looks really good. It's way better than it did. And it'll even look better when we get all that painted. And we actually had to take that part out because our fridge would not fit right there. But we tore that out. I still have to put in, I'm gonna put in a 1x2 right here just to trim this out and make it look finished. And then we have to put all the doors back. How many freaking doors there are? Door, 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 door. And then all the drawers and drawers and door and door and door and door and doors there. Lots of stuff. But we're gonna paint it and it'll look nice. You see that line right there? That used to be a crack, but I caulked it. And the only reason you can see it is because the caulk is wet. So you can't really see it. Once that dries and maybe put a little paint on it, you won't see that at all. There's another one over here. Check this out, this one, it's hidden really well. Can't see anything up there, but then you step back here and you see that right there. Just that little line of caulk that's still wet. So you got a crack in your ceiling, just caulk it. So I'm a filthy mess, but I'm gonna film for a second. You ready? So no talking. Quiet on set.